Hey loves, welcome back to a brand new video. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm really excited to be filming again. Today's video is a haul in action. If you're new to my channel, a haul in action is where I try out new products and give you my thoughts while creating a makeup look. For this makeup look, I am using my Profusion Cosmetics Festival palette, and I'm starting off by highlighting my brow bone with the shade Winning using my Vivace eyeshadow brush. I am using my E.L.F. eye crease brush to apply the shade Crochet in and above the crease of my eye. I am applying the shade Fortune right along the top of Crochet with my Start Mini Blending Brush. This is to create a nice gradient without a harsh line. Since the Festival palette does not have a shimmery champagne shade, I am now highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright using my Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am so sorry that some of the clips are blurry. I was messing around with the settings on my phone. It will get better. Right now I am taking my Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush and applying the shade Champ, which is a really pretty dark brown, to the outer 1/3 of my lid. The first item in today's haul is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible eyeshadows. They retail for $7 each, and I purchased them from Walmart. Starting from the left, you have Endless Sea, Smoldering Plum, Glistening Garnet, and Golden Emerald. I am applying the shade Endless Sea to the remainder of my lid using my E.L.F. eyeshadow brush. This is such a pretty blue eyeshadow, very pigmented, and the texture is similar to the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows. I didn't know what I wanted to do as far as eyeliner was concerned. I definitely knew I didn't want to do a wing, but I didn't want to leave the lash line bare. So right now I am applying a thin line of the E.L.F. glitter eyeliner in Shimmering Gold. I purchased the Rimmel London Wonder'fully Real mascara from Walmart for $8. It promises volume and length with keratin. The first thing I would like to say is that this mascara has my go-to wand. It is narrow, it is tapered, and it has those plastic spikes that are perfect at grabbing each individual lash and coating them for increased volume as well as length. That's what this one did. In terms of the formula, it's rather clumpy and you can get really spidery looking lashes without even trying. I did comb them through after they dried, but I don't like how thick it looks at the base. I am really excited to be trying out a new pair of lashes. These are the I Envy Iconic Collection Natural Icon lashes in the style 12. They are 3D angle and volume lightweight lashes, and I purchased them from the beauty supply store for $4. These lashes are beautiful. They live up to all of the claims. They're nice and voluminous. They're wispy, but still natural. Now, I was quite irritated with myself because I managed to get glitter on them, but it's cool. Since this video is all about the eyes, to save time, I went ahead and completed my face makeup off camera. Now to finish up the eye look, I'm using my AOA Studio E115 to apply the shade Champ along my lower lash line. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner in the shade Chestnut. And I didn't know I was using a lip liner at the time, but it came out so pretty. Alright loves, here's my completed eye makeup. Let me know in a comment down below what you think. Now I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the 3 products I featured in today's video. The first product is the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. I think it's a great product for $7. It's very pigmented and it has a nice smooth texture, very easy to apply, and since it is so pigmented, a little goes a very long way. Next is the Rimmel London Wonder'fully Real Mascara. Now, while I do like the wand, I don't like the formula. It's too thick. My lashes got really clumpy and messy. There are better mascaras out there. For instance, the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara has a similar wand and it's only $1 on their website. I recommend you try that one out. And the last item, the INV Iconic Collection Natural Icon Lashes in the style 12. I really like these lashes. I like collecting lashes in general, and I'm really excited whenever I have the chance to add a new style. These were nice and voluminous without looking too dramatic. They have a nice length, and I just really like these lashes overall. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me know in a comment down below what you thought. Make sure to check out the description for all of the products that I used to create this look. And until next time, bye loves!